Righto, good morning. What I have here today is one of these machines is VYJ Vape. It's a funny name, I don't know how you pronounce it. And then it is a Blue Pastures flavor, 40,000 puffs. I think the paint is coming off. You can see it's not nicely put down. Anyway, but this is also a very interesting unit. There's obviously the USB charger, and then there's a pulse mode. And then there's I think there's two types of modes, and then there's a little bit less air goes in, there's close, there you switch it off. Okay, now very interesting. If you I just like to open it, you can see there's LEDs right around this unit, maybe three PC boards. I'm just going to switch this lights off, and can you see? Okay. Let's put some air, suck some air in here. Let's just switch it on first. You see, yeah, look how nice. And there's an X, and there's your let's just the light on again. There's your battery power and your volume inside of the fluid. Now before we destroy it, let's just see how it sucks some vacuum in here. Okay, now I don't know how to open this thing. What I normally do is I put it in my vise, and then I actually try to pull it in a way. Then we just there's something happening. Let's pull it. Let's put a screwdriver in here. It comes loose. There's one cover, and then there's the inside. I don't know, this thing maybe slides out. Let's just see how we can take this out. Obviously this thing must come out in a way. Maybe this must also clip out some. Okay, I'm just gonna open the edit in a vise, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, I managed to just open it, yes, but then make sure you don't open this thing. Because it's coming loose now. This little rubber is in the top. The stuff aside. Now yes, is something interesting. Yes, it's like a. Let's take this cover off here. So here's a PC board with a small flexi PCB. It's like a. See how they cover this different types of LED tracks here. Just at least the glue can sit between the stuff. This is a flexi PCB. Can you believe it? Look here. This is now where it goes to shine through the LEDs. Look there. They just put the lights up. It's very look so nice. Look at the blue lights. Yo. Let's put the other lights also off. Look here. Looks like a Christmas tree. Oh, so nice, ne? Sure. Put the lights back on. Okay, this is very interesting. They're making these things. There is a small PCB with a chip that obviously now. Let me take this off out. Just pull this PCB on. You just pull that PC board out. Now we can take this whole thing out. Stick with glue. That's it. So this is you can't imagine how small the LEDs are. It's tiny, looks like sand kernels or something. It's amazing. It's all printed PCB. If you stick that back in here. Let's get a long nose. And let's see if we can make it work again. How's it? You switch the light up again. Okay, junk. That was all flat. It's amazing. Okay, let's further open this thing and see how it looks inside. Pull that out again. Obviously, if you wanna fold this thing, I don't know how you're gonna fold this. It's about otherwise you have to drill a hole. Here's your thing that sits in the front. Maybe if you take a syringe and you lower some juice inside here, hold it sideways so you can siphon in there, can also work. Okay, now we're gonna take this thing out. See, here's a clip here. There it clips there. This comes out. There's your whole thing. It's a every design is different. There's your sponge, and you can see this will work nicely actually if you want to fill it, because there's no this little pipe in here. If you lower your syringe with fluid in here, you can just drip it in there and it will fill up again. So, and there's your oh, here's the thing that I'm talking about. It was here, I just pull it out, but I guess it will somehow filter through. And there's your battery, like a long thin battery, and your element. And let's take this out. And there's the wires, your element. See, there's 3 elements of 3 points, a common, and maybe that's just the 2 modes that they're talking about here. One is a fast mode for more heat, and the other one is less. Okay, let's just pull these things out here. This element wires. Here's your let's take these things out here. So I don't know how they manufacture these things. Just now rip this open. Stainless steel thing. Maybe we must push it out this side. There is it. It's a little pipe. Here's your element. You see, of all the working, it gets like all brown, and then it gives this burnt taste. There's your element. Just gonna take this thing out. Come on. Okay, but there's your small element. And as I say, the PCB. Let's take this off. There's your vacuum sensor. And let's take this PC board out. There's not even a screw in here. I think it clip in here. There's it. There's a tiny switch for the on and off. Okay, let's just try to plug this thing back in here again. Then we can play a little bit. Okay, now where's the switch? There's it. Stick it there. Amazing. Switch off the lights again. It's all your lights. And this thing you buy and you throw it away when you finish. Crazy. Okay, this is my story of this little machine, and how it's amazing all the parts I make to make it work. And then you pay and you use it and you throw it away. See, they're just LEDs. There's like the 8 segment is there imprinted, so whatever LED is shows you what is the story or situation of your machine. Okay, hope this was nice, enjoyable. I like this type of flexi PCBs. The first time I see this, the new thing, this flexi PCB with this tiny, you can see how small is this things. It's amazing. You can't think how they make these things. You can blow them off the PC board. Sure, the technology getting interesting. Okay, alright. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's all from my side this morning. Till next time, cheers.